Non-discounting criteria in a project appraisal is my topic, and myself, Roshan Kurdekar, is gonna explain about this topic. So, as we can see, what do you mean by non-discounting criteria in project appraisal? The basic underlying difference between these two lines in the consideration of time value of money in the project investment. So next is undiscounting measures do not take into account the time value of the money while discounting measures do. It basically has two techniques in for evaluation of investment. They are first is payback period and second is accounting rate of returns. Payback period in capital budgeting, it refers to the time required to recoup the funds expended in an investment or to reach the break-even point. It is a tool of analysis which is often used because it is easy to apply and easy to understand for more individuals. For example, if for 1,000 rupees is investment made at the start of year 1 which returns rupees 500 at the end of first year and second year respectively could have a 2-year payback period. Accounting rate of return. It is also known as average rate of returns or ARR, is a financial ratio used in capital budgeting. The ratio does not takes into account which is the concept of time value of money. ARR calculates the returns generated from the net income for the proposed capital investment. The ARR is a percentage